Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to deactivate your Messenger account. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing. And once you've done that, please go down below and leave a like, and let's jump straight right into this guide. I will guide you on how to deactivate your Messenger account. And first thing you need to do is go to Facebook first and click on the menu. You may scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings and click on the Personal Information. Click on Manage Account. Click on Deactivate. You will be asked to enter your password first before going into the next step. You can state your reasons for deactivating your account. After that, you may click Continue. In here, there are different kinds of settings you want to set up before deactivating your account, most especially on your Messenger account. Now, after you deactivate your account on Facebook, you will go to your Messenger account. Now, in here, you will go to your settings. In here, you will go to your account settings and click on the personal information. In here, you will click on Manage Account and click on Deactivate. You will type again your password for proceeding to the next step. And click Continue. You will state again reasons for deactivating your Messenger account. Click on Continue, and in here you would click on Deactivate My Account. Mostly accounts will deactivate after 30 days without opening or logging it in. I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and stay updated for more tutorials.